are English.
He is English.
I must preserve this for future generations. As you can see, there's Marco, Tarma, and General Morden. I like the 30s type of style of artwork presented in there. And now, the creme de la creme. Can't believe I'm actually holding this in my hands.
You can keep it in your house for $250.
I know, but still, I'm just preserving this because there's no scans of this online.
Yeah.
Alright. It's pretty much like the AES manual, so you're not missing much. So yeah, if you're going to be getting Metal Slug, I recommend the CD version. Interestingly, the CD version has a key configuration and an art gallery versus the AES version. Really lovely artwork of Marco Rossi.
Yeah, I know, looks great.
And the Metal Slug too. Shoot and shoot to advance further. Wonderful attack by just two men.
Help me.
He looks like somebody who is stuck in Vietnam. No offense, Vietnam vets, I respect all of you. Hi, Margaret. Yeah, that's the sergeant's name, Margaret. Hello again, Margaret. You're looking lovely today. Why is she anime? Rebel soldier. And interestingly enough, there is no level preview, but this render is sweet.
And my camera's running low on battery. That is it.